Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The simplest way to reduce the amount of fat and calories in your quiche is actually to eliminate the heavy cream and replace it with a healthier substitute. One swap is to use whole milk for the heavy cream, which will still provide a rich, creamy flavor but without all of the extra calories and fat, via dessert.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Eggs are the main reason your quiche becomes watery. They have proteins that start to coagulate when you put them at high temperatures. This helps a quiche to set in the oven. But when you overbake it, the proteins overcoagulate, forcing out water.
Take our lead.
If you want to make a quiche in advance, you can make the shell and blind bake it, if required. Wrap the shell in plastic wrap and refrigerate it overnight. The Kitchen and 15 spatulas also say you can pre-bake your quiche and then reheat it the next day for service.
Let's help you make your mark.
Your best bet for making a quiche without heavy cream is to swap whole milk for heavy cream. Use a combination of whole fat and reduced fat milk or a combination of heavy cream and reduced fat milk. The USDA reports that a cup of whole milk contains 149 calories and about 8 grams of fat.
Take our lead.
Substitutions. You can also use half and half or part heavy cream and part milk instead. The more cream you use, the richer the quiche will taste. You can use low-fat or fat-free milk, but the quiche ends up slightly watery tasting and I don't recommend it.
Let's help you make your mark.
Soy milk. While most quiche recipes include milk, cream, cheese, and often butter, this recipe is dairy-free. You can use whatever dairy-free cheese is your favorite, or make your own, and choose a milk alternative, such as unsweetened soy milk or almond milk.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.